Welcome to this lesson on understanding the Project Management Office, or PMO. In this chapter, we explore the role, purpose, and evolution of the PMO in modern organizations. The PMO has become a central function that supports how projects, programs, and portfolios are delivered. Its responsibilities have expanded dramatically over the years, evolving from simple administrative support to becoming a strategic enabler that shapes organizational performance. In this introduction, we'll set the foundation for what a PMO truly represents by looking at how it fits within the broader ecosystem of project delivery. This conversation will help you build a strong mental model of the PMO's importance, its influence on decision-making, and the value it creates when properly designed and supported. Let's begin our journey by understanding why this topic matters to today's organizations. This section is important because it helps you understand how PMOs have developed, why they differ across organizations, and how their roles continue to expand. PMOs didn't appear overnight. They evolved over decades in response to shifting business needs, technological advances, and the increasing complexity of project environments. By learning about this evolution, you develop the ability to customize PMO structures rather than applying rigid models. The PMO must adapt to each organization's culture, maturity level, and strategic priorities. That requires a flexible mindset and the willingness to blend different approaches. As project delivery becomes more complex and organizations demand more strategic outcomes, PMO professionals must understand how and why PMOs have changed. This knowledge empowers you to design PMOs that remain effective, relevant, and aligned with the business long into the future. A project management office, or PMO, is an organizational entity dedicated to overseeing and supporting portfolios, programs, and projects. It acts as a central hub that standardizes governance, improves delivery success, and ensures alignment with business objectives. At its core, a PMO brings structure and consistency to how projects are managed. It provides methodologies, tools, templates, guidance, and oversight. The PMO's purpose is to maximize value by ensuring that resources are effectively managed, risks are controlled, and projects align with strategic priorities. Whether the PMO is operational, tactical, or strategic, its primary goal is to help organizations deliver outcomes more predictably and efficiently. Understanding this definition is a key first step, as it frames everything else you'll learn about PMO roles, functions, and leadership in the chapters ahead. The role of the PMO has changed significantly over time. Traditionally, PMOs focused on administrative tasks such as tracking schedules, updating reports, and supporting project managers with documentation. But organizations have recognized that PMOs can play a far more strategic role. Modern PMOs serve as enablers of innovation, business alignment, and organizational change. They help translate strategy into actionable project delivery and ensure that investments support long-term goals. Looking ahead, PMOs are expected to become even more adaptive and value-driven. They will act as business partners that contribute to decision-making, help navigate complexity, and support continuous improvement. This evolution highlights a fundamental truth. PMOs must grow with the organization, adapting to new ways of working and emerging technologies, while staying focused on strategic value. One of the most important concepts in PMO design is realizing that there is no single PMO model that works for all organizations. PMOs can operate at the strategic level, driving alignment with business goals. At the tactical level, coordinating programs and managing resources. Or at the operational level, supporting day-to-day project execution. Each organization has unique requirements based on its culture, maturity, size, and strategic direction. Therefore, PMOs must be tailored deliberately, rather than copied from generic frameworks. Some PMOs focus heavily on governance and oversight, while others emphasize coaching, delivery support, or innovation. The key is to build a PMO that fits the environment it serves. This ensures relevance, enhances performance, and strengthens the PMO's ability to support the organization's mission. A common misconception is confusing the PMO, the organizational entity, with the PMO leader, who is the individual managing it. The PMO as an entity includes the structure, processes, governance mechanisms, and tools used to support project delivery. It represents the formal capabilities and services offered across the organization. The PMO leader, however, is responsible for decision-making, prioritization, leadership, stakeholder engagement, and shaping the PMO's strategic direction. While both are closely related, blending them creates unrealistic expectations and role confusion. Recognizing this distinction helps you set clear boundaries and responsibilities, ensuring that the PMO is treated as a system and the leader as the person guiding that system. This clarity is essential for effective design and for building trust with executives and delivery teams. PMOs can take many forms, and organizations often view them differently depending on their needs. Some see the PMO primarily as a portfolio management function, overseeing investment decisions and prioritization. Others emphasize program oversight, ensuring that groups of related projects deliver combined benefits. Still others focus on project delivery support, providing guidance, tools, and coaching to ensure consistency and performance. Despite these variations, one common thread remains. The PMO is a formal entity focused on helping organizations manage portfolios, programs, and projects effectively. This flexible definition allows PMOs to evolve while still serving as a central point of coordination, improvement, and alignment. Understanding these perspectives helps you appreciate why no two PMOs look exactly the same and why each must be built intentionally. Different stakeholders see the PMO from different angles, and each viewpoint offers part of the full picture. Some focus on governance, others on delivery support, and others on strategic alignment. Recognizing the value of these diverse perspectives helps PMO professionals avoid rigid thinking. One helpful analogy is viewing the PMO like a cube. You only see part of it from one angle, but combining multiple viewpoints reveals the whole structure. The key insight is that PMOs must remain flexible and continuously adapt. Organizational needs evolve, technologies shift, and markets change. PMOs that remain static risk becoming irrelevant. Instead, successful PMOs embrace change, adapt services, and refine their value proposition to stay aligned with business priorities. This mindset ensures long-term effectiveness and supports sustainable performance. PMOs face several recurring challenges that can impact their ability to succeed. One major challenge is demonstrating tangible value. PMOs must show clear contributions to decision-making, delivery performance, and organizational outcomes. In cost-conscious environments, PMOs must justify their existence by proving real business impact. Another challenge is gaining recognition from executives. Without strong visibility and trust at leadership levels, PMOs struggle to influence strategic decisions. As organizations adopt emerging technologies such as AI and automation, PMOs must integrate innovation while preserving consistency and stability. Ensuring strategic alignment is another key challenge. Projects must support the organization's broader goals. Finally, PMOs must communicate their impact in business terms, tailoring messages to leadership and balancing short-term wins with long-term value. Addressing these challenges is essential for PMO sustainability. PMOs have evolved through several stages. The early stage focused on technical support and administrative assistance, mainly helping project managers maintain documentation. As organizations matured, PMOs entered a growth phase where they standardized processes, developed governance frameworks, and improved efficiency. The next stage, maturity, saw PMOs shift into strategic partners, driving alignment between project delivery and business objectives. Today, the most advanced PMOs help lead innovation, support transformation initiatives, and enable long-term organizational change. It's also important to note that PMO maturity varies widely depending on industry, region, and organizational culture. There is no universal model for PMO development because every environment is different. The evolution of PMOs reflects growing recognition of their role as strategic drivers of value, not just administrative units. Organizations can implement many different types of PMOs depending on their goals, maturity, and structure. Examples include departmental PMOs that support specific business units, directive PMOs that actively manage projects, and delivery PMOs that provide tools and resources to support execution. Enterprise PMOs operate at the highest level, ensuring consistency and strategic alignment across the entire organization. Agile PMOs focus on supporting agile practices, while Control Tower PMOs monitor compliance and project performance. Consultative PMOs offer advisory support, and controlling PMOs enforce methodologies and risk processes. Each model offers unique strengths and serves different needs. Understanding this spectrum helps you identify which PMO type, or combination of types, best supports your organization's objectives. Beyond the more traditional models, there are several specialized PMO types designed to meet specific organizational needs. Functional PMOs support departments like IT or HR by providing tailored tools and resources. Hybrid PMOs combine multiple PMO characteristics to create a flexible, context-driven approach. Innovation PMOs emphasize experimentation and creative solutions, often working closely with R&D teams. Operational PMOs focus on daily project execution, while portfolio or program PMOs align major investments and initiatives with business strategy. Project-specific PMOs support large or high-risk projects, providing dedicated oversight. Project support offices, or PSOs, handle administrative tasks such as reporting and documentation. This variety shows how PMOs can be customized to match the complexity and scale of different organizations. This slide introduces advanced PMO variations that support organizational maturity and transformation. Centers of excellence focus on building project management capability across the organization. Supportive PMOs provide templates and training with minimal control. Strategic PMOs work closely with leadership to align initiatives with business objectives. Tactical PMOs manage groups of related projects and ensure process consistency. Transformation management offices guide major organizational change programs, ensuring alignment with vision and strategy. Value management offices concentrate on maximizing project return on investment and tracking benefits. Extended PMOs, or XMOs, broaden their scope beyond projects to support enterprise-wide initiatives and cross-functional collaboration. These variations demonstrate that PMOs can play a powerful role in shaping organizational performance at multiple levels. Understanding PMOs becomes easier when you analyze them through 4 key perspectives. The first is the flexibility of their models. Rather than relying on rigid classifications, modern PMOs often blend elements from different types to meet unique organizational needs. The second perspective focuses on functions. PMOs may operate at operational, tactical, strategic, or mixed levels depending on their purpose. The third perspective considers scope. PMOs can serve an entire organization, a portfolio, a department, or even a single project. The final perspective looks at service approach, which may be consultative, controlling, or directive. By examining PMOs from these angles, you gain a more complete understanding of how they provide value and why they must be tailored to each environment. Traditional PMO models are no longer sufficient for the complex business environments organizations face today. Rigid classifications can limit adaptability and create misunderstanding about the PMO's purpose. Instead of focusing on labels, PMO professionals should concentrate on designing solutions that meet real organizational needs. The most effective PMOs blend characteristics from multiple models, forming hybrid structures that prioritize outcomes over strict definitions. This shift toward customization allows PMOs to evolve alongside the business, support diverse stakeholders, and deliver meaningful value. Rather than asking, which PMO model are we? Modern PMOs ask, what does our organization need, and how should we design ourselves to deliver on those needs? This mindset creates resilience, agility, and long-term relevance. The future of PMOs lies in adaptability, strategic alignment, and continuous improvement. New PMO types will continue to emerge as organizations face new challenges and adopt new technologies. Success won't come from copying trends, but from refining and evolving PMO capabilities to meet changing needs. The best PMO is the one that fits the organization, not the one that fits a textbook. PMO professionals must focus on delivering value, demonstrating business impact, and building structures based on stakeholder needs. They must also stay responsive to trends, lessons learned, and shifting priorities. When PMOs embrace this adaptive approach, they become powerful engines for strategy execution, transformation, and long-term organizational success. The key message is clear. The strongest PMOs evolve continuously, always aligning themselves with what the organization needs next.